H Mart. How many carts? How many carts? We're gonna get this Melona ice cream. We found the corn dogs. That's some seaweed. Look how cute these spoons are. We're gonna get them. I like this one, the peach. I like the peach. Wait. Okay, guys. We found these ones, and I don't know. And they have oranges and grapes, but I think we're gonna get these ones. Let's try the peach one. Let's try these yogurt drinks. So we got this fluffy cake with strawberry flavored cream, and this is how it looks. And it's a Swiss roll with strawberry cream.